Welcome and let's talk about eCash coins. Now, how much can we make with 5 million coins of eCash in the year 2025? Remember, eCash was actually trading with 3 zeros. That was last year, November 10. eCash was trading with 3 zeros, but this coin have actually dropped in price, and now eCash is trading with 4 zeros. Now, there is an opportunity that eCash can rise and go back toward that 3 zeros and even lose more zeros before the ending of 2025. Now, eCash is ranked number 56 crypto coins with the highest market cap of $897 million market cap. Well, one thing you need to understand about eCash is that this coin still have about 4 zeros. That is to say that there is an opportunity we can still make good profit, good return on investment if eCash goes ahead and lose 1 or 2 zeros. Now, by the ending of 2025, based on our technical analysis and based on other fundamental analysis and the partnership we have go through and check, we believe eCash should be able to lose at least 2 zeros by the end of 2025. Now, if eCash by the end of 2025 start trading at 0.001, how much can our 5 million coins of eCash be worth in 2025? At the time of recording this video, you need $235 in order to buy 5 million coins of eCash. Now, if eCash goes ahead and loses 2 zeros by the ending of 2025, then your $235, which is 5 million coins of eCash, if eCash loses 1 zero, that token will be worth about $2,350. And if eCash loses 2 zeros, then your 5 million coins of eCash will be worth about $23,500. That is a lot of profit from people that will be taking advantage of eCash now that this coin is trading with 4 zeros. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. eCash still remains one of the best crypto coin at the moment and is ranked among the top 60 crypto coins with the highest market cap. That is to say, a lot of people still invest in eCash. A lot of people still have their money saved and invested in eCash, and they believe that eCash in future will increase in value. Once again, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.